So guys, now we're gonna review the thing inside this little box. So first, let's just open it and see what's inside. There is bubble wraps. We're not gonna review that. We don't need to. This is what we're gonna review. The Jabra Evolve 65T. So yeah, first let's just take out the bubble wrap. So yeah, the tapes have been cut off. Now let's take out the thing itself. Oh, let's just take it out slowly. Yeah. So guys, this is the Jabra Evolve 65T. Let's review it from the box. Well, in the front there is the photo of the earbuds or the Jabra Evolve 65T. In here there is the title of the earbud, and on the back there is this sticker saying its code name and stuff. The back, and there's nothing again on it, only the logo of the Jabra and also the website. So let's just take the Jabra out. So from the box, well, it's not that really good since it used this kind of cardboard stuff, but yeah, let's just take it out. Here we got this pouch. It feels kind of heavy. I think the earbud is in there. So yeah, I think it's in there. First, we got this manual book to get started with the Jabra, like do stuff. There is, this is the charger cable. It still use micro USB. Kind of disappointed, but of course this is like the older models. So yeah, this is the ear tips. This is like I think it's the small and the large size, which is the normal, or the middle size is the one that is already put in on the earbud. Here there is warnings which we don't really need to read. So yeah, that's basically it from the box. We're not gonna use all of this, well, maybe the charger for later on. But for now, let's open up the earbuds itself. Well, there is the Jabra logo. For the casing or the pouch, it's kind of good and will come in handy later on. In here there's a dongle. I don't know why does it need that, since it can connect wirelessly through Bluetooth. But I heard that you can connect this to a multi-device, but it needs to be one from a computer and one from a phone. So yeah, inside the pouch there is the the case for the earbuds. There is Jabra. In here there is Jabra writing. On the bottom there is the micro USB in female. On the back there is this little thing. Not really sure what it's for. It can't be open or something, but yeah. So now let's open up and see what's inside. So guys, it turns out you just like pop it out, but it's kind of hard since it doesn't use magnet, but it uses this thing that latches here. So yeah, inside it there is a barcode there with the both earbuds inside. And there is basically nothing again. So let's close this and review about the buds. So let's review it first from the model. So in here, I think it's a little big for an earbud. The size is big, yes. This is a big size earbud, but it usually goes also with the sound. So if like the bass is good or something of it is good, the size of it will also get bigger. There is this little dots here, little openings, and in here these two copper thing is for the charge, and in here is the ear tip. So I'm gonna try them out and then tell you how it sounds. So guys, I've been using this Jabra Evolve 65T for a while, and I'm gonna tell you my review about it. So there's also a little unboxing again from before. Well, first you get this pouch from Jabra. Opening up, there is a little place here if you want to put something on. There is the case and also a dongle if you want to connect multi-devicely with your phone and tablet into your computer or laptop, but you can still connect Bluetoothly if you want to connect to only one device. So here we got the Jabra. In the case, you still use mini USB for the charging, and also this little light for the indicator battery of the case. And when you open it, you need to push it. It's not magnet, so there's this latch here. There is a light indicator again for the battery of the earbuds. For the case, it will stay up a couple of days even when you use the earbuds frequently. So for the earbuds, it is a good earbud with a bulky style. Why? Because it is quite wide so that you don't hear the sounds coming from outside. So nothing can go in to your ear. No sounds from outside, you cannot hear it. In here you got the microphone on the tips, and also for the earbuds itself, it is still a button function and not fingerprint sensor. So yeah, no, I mean finger sensor. So yeah, you still need to click and stuff to raise volume, minus volume, and stuff like that. For the sound quality, if it's Jabra, so it's top quality, but I must say that the bass on this Jabra Evolve 65T doesn't really kick in. So I have compared it to the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, and it seems like this is like an upgrade version of the Buds Plus, but not as much upgrade as into the Buds Pro. But another plus side again in here, which the Galaxy Buds Plus and Pro doesn't have, is a great microphone. Of course, this is a better microphone. There's 4 microphones in this earbud, even though it's a little thing like this. For the earbud itself, it can last a day if you use it all the time. So pretty much that's all my review from this Jabra Evolve 65T. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys again next time.